Dear friends, welcome to the first part of my 7.5 kVA solar inverter project. In this video, I am demonstrating the oscillator circuit and the assembly of power MOSFETs. Here, I have assembled 10 pairs of N-channel MOSFETs on this heatsink, which enables the system to handle large currents efficiently. Each MOSFET is connected with an individual pull-down resistor, an essential component for proper operation. To drive these power MOSFETs, I am using a gate drive transformer that I designed using a laminated iron core salvaged from scrap. This transformer allows me to drive the high side, positive side, with N-channel MOSFETs. One key advantage of a gate drive transformer is its ability to isolate supply voltages, enabling the use of separate power sources for the oscillator circuit and the MOSFETs with the boost transformer. At the heart of the oscillator circuit is a PIC 12683 microcontroller. However, I plan to replace this with a higher pin count MCU in the future to incorporate additional functions. Additionally, I have included two push-button switches. Yellow switch turns the inverter on. Red switch turns the inverter off. When the oscillator circuit is powered on, the LED glows steadily. When the inverter is turned on, the LED starts blinking, and when the inverter is turned off, the LED returns to a steady glow. Since the oscillator circuit and the boost transformer operate from two separate power supplies, I will now test the boost transformer. The transformer is rated for 12 volt, so I will supply 12 volt from DIY lithium-ion battery pack, while the oscillator circuit will run on a smaller battery. For safety, I have included a 40 ampere fuse in the setup. A 200 watt bulb is connected to the boost transformer as a test load. Please note that this is a preliminary test, and many important components such as current feedback, voltage feedback, and a snubber circuit are yet to be added. These additions, along with other upgrades, will be covered in subsequent videos. My ultimate goal is to create a 7.5 kVA solar inverter. The current boost transformer will eventually be replaced with a new transformer rated for higher power, which will also be showcased in upcoming videos. For this project, I am using laminated iron core transformers as they are widely available and cost-effective. Let's now proceed with the test. I'll press the yellow push button switch to turn the inverter on. You can see the bulb glowing brightly and the LED is blinking. Pressing the red button turns the inverter off, which stops the bulb and makes the LED steady again. If you have any suggestions or feedback, I would love to hear them. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll show additional upgrades and improvements to this project. Thank you.